Good morning, everybody. This is my sister's flower garden. It's called Kalsang Meadow. It's very beautiful, a purple color. And the meadow means the flower. The Kalsang is the name of the flower. My sister would like to taking care of the flowers always. And this is the Gyalse Meadow. It's not coming, almost coming now. Flower. And this is the Ganden Meadow. Ganden Meadow. It's Ganden Meadows. It's our culture calls the Ganden Meadow is Ganden Tipos flowers. When flower comes up, it's we offering for the Ganden Tipa. And this looks like the orange trees, but not really. And this is the cucumber. Almost it's a flower, some flowers here. Is this also Ganden Meadow? And those are, I don't remember this name of the flower. This very beautiful flower. And this is my niece. She's taking care of my brother's area, cleaning. And here, my brother, he is long-term care patient. He cannot move, he cannot eat, he cannot talk, only he can hear, he can see. And look at here. And two people need for him taking care. One person can't move. Okay, I would like to share to my brother and my sister's flower garden. Thank you so much. Everybody have a nice day. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.